And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we'll be going over CRONODES. This is the latest nodes from the Crypto.com network, CRONODES. And we're going to go over how to convert a $657 investment into a $11,347 profit. So here is my calculator for the CRONODES. We have all the information up here in the top left. We have the contract address, contract name, symbol, decimal, so that you can add it into your wallet. We have the network information, so you can add the network into your MetaMask, and all the reference websites for CroNode. We have their website, their Twitter, their Discord, their Telegram, and where to buy. We'll go over that a little bit later. And it has live quotes here. The CroNode token is currently trading at $32.89. And if we scroll to the right, it shows how many CRN you need per node. At the current rate, there's only one tier and you need 20 CRN tokens per node. That is a total value of $657.80. And it's paying you one CRN token per day, which is the best rate so far from any of these node projects. You're earning $32.89 per day, and there is a claim tax of 10%. When you do claim your rewards, there is a 10% claim tax. And here is a calculator to calculate your taxes. Say you have one node, you're invested for 15 days, and it shows you will receive 15 CRON tokens. Rewards is $4.93. Reward CRN token after tax, $13.5. And actual profits, $444 based on the current rates. And this calculator automates all the data necessary for you to come up with an investment strategy. If you buy one node, that's 20 CRN tokens per node, returns per day is 1 CRN, you'll be making $32.89 per day. Sunk cost is $657.80. That's how much the node will cost. When you buy a node, you lose your money. That is considered a sunk cost. And it takes 20 days for you to recoup your money. That's what this figure indicates here. Payoff days for one node is 20 days. Actual profits after you recoup your node is $31.09. Actual profits per week, $218. Actual profits per month, $945. And actual profits per year, $11,347. Assuming everything stays the same and you only hold one node. You don't buy additional nodes. That's just holding one node. After the first node gets paid in 20 days, we can go to the years after APR per node. You will be receiving $12,000 per year on a $657 investment. Here, the first year sunk cost gives you the rates of how much money you'll be making per year if you just hold those current nodes that you buy initially without buying additional ones. And this table calculates how much you'll be making after you recoup the sunk cost the years after. So the actual APR per node after you recoup your cost is 1,825%, which is insane. And after that, if you buy two nodes in 10 days, you'll be able to buy an additional node, and so on and so forth. And this calculator is fully automated. The only one thing you need to do, it says here, blue equals input at the top. You have to input this value here and this value, and that generates the whole table, these two values here. And if they change the claim tax, you can update it here. The calculate taxes is based on this table. The figures are already there for you according to today's rates. And there is a note here, taxes are subject to change. Check for current rates for you to update these sections. The calculator does not include the taxes. The taxes can be calculated separately in this calculator here. It gives you your breakdown. And that's all you need. There's only one tier. That's 20 CRN tokens per node. And this is the breakdown. Let's go over CRONODES. This is their website. Create powerful nodes on the CRONODES chain and earn lifetime rewards while doing so. And the CRONODES network is from Crypto.com. Crypto.com is one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. So this is the first node project for the CRONODES network. If we enter the app, it's a very simple app. You only have the ability to create nodes here. It's 20 CRN tokens per node. There's currently 34,857 nodes created, and here is where you claim your rewards. And that is the complete app. Now we look at their white paper to see how CRONODES work. You buy 20 CroNode CRN token to create one node, and you get one CroNode CRN tokens as a daily accumulated rewards. For live, be reminded, this value is an estimation. It may change in the future to sustain the project. So I like how it says for live and then it says may change. Pretty funny. After we go through these steps, I'll show you what you need to do to get involved. Number 1, buy CRO token. Buy CroNodes with CRN token. Connect your wallet to our website. Create a CroNode with 20 CroNode CRN tokens. And then enjoy. 20 CRN tokens equals 1 node, and you will get rewarded 1 CRN per day. Where do my 20 CroNode tokens go? So when you buy the node, this is where the money goes. This is what happens when a CroNode is created. 14 CroNode CRN are sent to the rewards pool. 2 CroNode CRN is put to the liquidity pool as 50% CroNode CRN and 50% CRO. And 4 CroNode CRN are transferred to the marketing team wallet to support the protocol stability and token growth. Rewards are distributed every 4 hours, and you may claim your rewards and CroNode CRN tokens from the council. So that is a breakdown. When you buy a node and that cost is gone, this is what you're paying for. Please bear in mind that just like the rewards value, the distribution frequency is an estimate and may change in the future to ensure project sustainability. Also, once a node is created, it cannot be shut down. But aside from your rewards, investors will also enjoy the increase in CroNode's tokens intrinsic value. Call it double rewards. Claiming. There is a 10% claim tax when claiming rewards. There is no maintenance fees, but there is claim tax. This tax is sent back into the distribution pool for further rewards. And that is the breakdown. This is a THOR fork, and it does look like they're going to create a governance. So far, this is still very early on, and they have not created that voting governance yet. It's still very early on. I did some research, and I went into their Twitter and their Discord, and it seemed like they're very active trying to build this, and there is no voting or snapshots yet. So they still have a long way to go. This is a risky project, but also high rewards. There's no telling where it could go, but the return on token is 20 days. 20 days, you'll get your money back if all the value stays the same. That's pretty impressive. So how do we get involved? You need to buy the CRO token, the Crypto.com token. And the way I buy my crypto for DeFi investments, I go to KuCoin. I will send either AVAX or Matic or Bitcoin to my KuCoin wallet, sell it for UST Tether, and then buy the CRO token. Once you buy the CRO token, you send it to your MetaMask wallet. You have to make sure you set up your MetaMask for the CRONODES network. All this information is in the spreadsheet calculator. Here's the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and the block explorer. So you bought your CRO token, then you send it to your MetaMask. Make sure to set up your MetaMask first with the proper settings. And then you go to CroNodes Swap. This is where you buy CRN tokens. By default, CRO will come up here. And then you go up here to search and make sure to type in CRN, and CroNode appears. And it's already there. Make sure to connect your MetaMask wallet. And when you buy CRN tokens, make sure to leave a little bit of CRO tokens left for gas fees. So then you buy your CRN tokens. Once you buy your CRN tokens, you come in here to the CroNodes app, you connect your wallet, you name your new node, and you buy it. And that's how you get involved. Everything that I explained is on this calculator. Once you add the CroNodes network into your MetaMask wallet, you have to add the CRN token into that network. And all the information is here. We have the contract name, symbol, decimals, and the explorers. Here's the network information for CroNodes here for your MetaMask. And here is where to buy, chronoswap.org/swap. So this calculator has everything that you need. Once you click on the link to this spreadsheet, make sure to go to File, make a copy of your own for you to be able to navigate here. That spreadsheet only works with Google Sheets. It generates live quotes, and only the blue can be configured. For this example, there's only one selection here since there's only one tier of nodes that you can create. So if you would like a copy of this calculator, make sure to join my Patreon under the calculators tier, and you'll have access to this calculator and every other calculator I've created. The links will be under the description of this video. And this is the latest node project. It's pretty exciting to see some DeFi happening in the CroNodes network. So that's pretty much going to do it for this video. If you found this video of any value, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. That really helps out the channel. And if you made it this far, thank you very much. I'll catch you guys on the next one.